An old man and his Indian dog both had dreams. Kiwezi minwa Anishinaabemowin nenish giyana borchgewinen to go see their garden, so they go see it. We wamdamot winwa the tiganes, gi wamdana dash. It is 3 a.m. and the corn begins to speak to them. Gi awanshko aptadabik kamagak, gichigishe bawang, minwa mimdavnak, gi maji kunonagowan, telling them of the future. Winda magazwok niganwin. It tells them that those who go back to the old ways will be okay. Gi winda magowan, winwa enepskabiad gete nikia, migo the nishing. The old man and the dog spend the rest of their days as prophets. Kiwezi minwa animush. Pa nankiwat winwa eshikishikak. Eniga ni tabachumwajik. Casting medicine everywhere. Tuat mishkike akinungoje. Many listened and survived. Nibana gibizinamok, minwa gi jabueok.